Welcome to the DTC Concepts YouTube channel. I am Dan. As always, before we get started, if you could give me a like and subscribe, I would appreciate it. Today is kind of a fun one. We're going to be getting into garage upgrades. So, well, on to my next garage upgrade. It is one that I use. I know Tesla is politically charged right now or whatever. I know everybody has their opinions. Honestly, if you want to yell at me or praise me, either way, it is engagement, so it is what it is. But when I did the house, I had these put in. I have one on the inside and one on the outside. EV chargers are great for resale value, and then obviously if you have an EV, it's a must-have. Depending on the one that you purchase, whether you purchase Tesla or you just do a plug itself or a third-party brand, you probably will be looking at investing a little bit of money in it, depending on how far the run is from this charger to your panel. You're looking at a dedicated circuit. You're looking at possibly a panel upgrade if yours can't handle it, but if it can, you can cut that cost. So somewhere between $1,000 to $3,000 you'd be getting into to have one of these put in. But truthfully, it is a game changer. I am also looking forward to the day, because I read rumors that this will be able to reverse charge. So if my car has charge and my house doesn't, I guess some world they're gonna be able to reverse it and power the house, but not today. However, still great, I love it. You know, call it sub $3-4 You can have one of these put in and it makes a big difference. Storage. This is a big one in a garage. In my garage, I edit down to what I need, and so I don't have shit everywhere. People don't know how I do it, and I can tell you how. I just don't collect shit. So here, this is a little embarrassing because I have some things that are getting ready to go into install. We have some rolling shades from Select Blinds, which are super affordable and they work really well. So shout out Select Blinds. Let me know if you want to throw me anything. Otherwise, behind me, this is all actually from the Container Store. It's the Alpha Organizer System. It is super functional. They're always running specials. This was under $2,000 and I put it in. I like it a lot. It's interchangeable. I can shift things around as I need to. Would I love to have Shenandoah Cabinetry here? Shenandoah all here. Hey Shenandoah, over here too, to get rid of this thing that I don't really love, but it's just been at a couple of places. I think Shenandoah's Cabinetry would look beautiful in their new colorway. So just something that I'm shooting for eventually is that Shenandoah Cabinetry over here. But until then, the Container Store is fantastic. This solution was very affordable, very easy to put in, because I couldn't afford to do cabinetry. So I love it. It holds samples. It holds things that I actually use, fabrics. It holds things to clean my car, but this is all stuff that gets used on a regular basis. And then the top shelf is just some random collected items. I'm putting some more trim up in my kitchen. I'm replacing one of the fronts of a door on my kitchen cabinet, so I've got that here. These are here because I took them out because I'm doing dining room sconces. Yes, because that was my fuck up when I did my house, is I did not put those sconces in. So it's the one area I screwed up. But all things that I use. So I love this storage. Now, you might be asking, Dan, I know you love Halloween. Where the hell is that? Dan, I know you tolerate 90 days of Christmas. Where are the 2 Christmas trees that your family likes to put up during the holidays? Dan, where are the 4 different Easter baskets that your kid has because somehow we buy a new one every year and don't get rid of any of the old ones? Well, that storage is here. And so this was something that got put in after the fact. When I was having my house done, when you have a million decisions to make, sometimes you forget things. I forgot to have this put in, but it's great. All above my garage here are the things that I don't use on a regular basis. It's our memory boxes, it's things from when my kid was born, it's the 2 Christmas trees that we have, and it's all those fantastic Halloween decorations. But everything lives up there. Now, another upgrade I will be doing is getting a attic fan put in, because holy shit, it gets hot up there. But for right now, I don't have it. But I love it. So this is all my big storage, which allows me to keep that clean. Now, that ladder did have to be put in by a professional. It was not too expensive to have done, and you can purchase one of those from Lowe's. It's just a pull-down ladder. Fantastic. So, that being said, the very last thing in this garage, if you are from the Midwest, excuse me, let me move this wallpaper. If you are from the Midwest, this is your must-have garage upgrade, and you know that it can't be nice, it can't be super large, it has to be a little beat up, but you need that garage fridge. So, last thing I would recommend is this. If you're like me and want to drink anything with bubbles, this is where it all gets put. Or if you need extra space for frozen pizzas, or when your friends leave cigarettes at your house and they need to be kept fresh because you don't smoke, you've got the freezer right here. So that is my garage. It's not perfect, it's a work in progress, but there are a ton of things that I've done in here. I hope this helps you. I hope it inspires you a little bit to make something of your space. I can say, enjoy the process. I surely have. When it all happens quickly, it's not as fun, and this has just sort of evolved over time, and it very much is a representation of me. So, if you liked this, if you liked the tips and tricks, if you're curious about the process of any of those things, let me know. If you could give this video a like, subscribe to us. I do love talking at a cell phone, so it helps me do that more often. And we will see you next time.